uh, 3 and -1, right? So the points will be 1 and x minus 3, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, it's just gonna get rid of that. Okay, so now that let's say that this is the number line, okay? And then I'm gonna put the points here. So this is gonna be 1, and this is gonna be -3, okay? Now I need to test the function on the left and right of this, right? I need to see if it's increasing or decreasing. So I'm gonna take so let's say if I do maybe -4. So let's do 3 -4 square plus 6 -4 minus 9. So 4 fours are 16, right? And 16 times 3, 18, and 3, 48. So this is 48 minus 24 minus 9, right?
Yeah.
And then this becomes positive 24 minus 9, and then that equals to 15, correct?
Yeah.
So this would be positive here because I got a positive 15. So far, so good?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I got to test between -3 and 1, which is easy, right? I just test 0, right? So 0 squared plus 6, 0 minus 9 equals to -9. So that's a negative there, okay? And then now let's do 2. So 2 twos are 4. Uh, 12 plus 12 minus 9. 24 minus 9, which is also 15. So this is also plus, right?
Yeah.
So here's increasing, here's decreasing, here's increasing.
Oh, okay. Oh, all right.
Makes
So,
sense?
so the -3 and 1 are the points where it's like it's like
It's like where it's going to change direction after or before that.
oh, okay.
Those are the stationary points.
Um, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah? Good. So let's do a few examples just so you make sure you get that right. So let's see, you sent me some stuff, right? Uh, right, I see some questions. Let's do the ones, maybe the ones that might be a little challenging. Let's try a simple one first, then we do a challenging one. Let's try 2e first.
2e.
Yeah.
Okay. So if it's asking for decreasing value, then
Uh-huh.
uh, do I find so I find the points, and then do I have to find all three ranges? Like
So is the answer like if you check the answer, does it say like greater or less than a value? Because I think that's what it should say. If you look at the answer, it should say like greater or less than a value of x.
oh I got the opposite answer.
Well, what's the answer?
The answer is x smaller than 2 and x bigger than 6. Uh, wait, 6 and 2 over 3.
So this is exactly what happened last time, right? So when you find the roots, you need to test what's in between them and what's next to them. And then you need to change the sign accordingly. So for example, if they're saying that find the set of values which is decreasing, that means that when you have those points and you test those values, they only want you to write the answer where it's decreasing. So for example, if I test like below 2 or I forgot what you said, 2 or -2, then if that's the answer, then on that below that 2 all the values are negative because it's decreasing.
Um, it's strange because when I calculated, I got uh like between 2 and 20 over 3 is decreasing, but
Okay.
it's the opposite for the answer.
Okay, let me do this with you, and then you can see where we went wrong. So, okay, -40x plus 13x squared. You can still see my screen, right?
Um, yeah.
Okay, just gonna write the question down. Need some space. Okay. Can you read out the questions? Sorry, -40x.
Uh, negative 40x plus 13x to the power 2 minus x to the power 3.
Thanks, man. Okay. And then I'll just do the function. So that's f of x. So f of x is equal to correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we just find the roots of it, right? So we go 3x and x. And I need 26. Okay. So what did you get for the roots? 20 and
Um,
10. Wait, actually, let me first rearrange this. -3x squared plus 26x minus 40. So -3x and x. And then 48 and 5. So 8 threes are 24. 5, no, that won't work. 8 and 5. It's your 15. 15 plus 8. No, that won't work. What else? 2 and
yeah.
20, right?
Yeah.
And then, so since it's -40, and that's already -6, right? So this one would be negative, would be here. So negative, negative is positive, right? So this would be -3x minus 20 and x plus 2. Is that what you got?
I think I know where I got it wrong. So
Okay.
I thought I could simplify it, so I reversed the signs. So
Ah, okay, okay, okay. So it makes sense, right?
yeah, but I thought that when you reverse the signs, because it equals to 0 anyway, you could just cancel it out.
Okay, let's see. Let's continue with what we were doing. Let's see what we get. Okay. So this one will be -3x is equal to 20 So -3. So x is equal to 20 over -3. And then this one will just be x is equal to -2. So put that on the number line. So that's -2. 3. So 6. So it's around -6, right? So it's around here. 6.6 around there, right? So now we have to test on all three sides. Okay, so let's do that. So let's take that here. So between -2 and -6.6, I'll just choose -3. So just put this in your calculator, see what you get. If you put -3,
Huh?
I'm testing -3 now because it's between -2 and -6.6, right?
Which one?
This one here.
Oh.
Just put that in a calculator, see what you get.
-145.
Okay, so that's negative here. Okay, now let's replace everything. Wait, no. Sorry, I said negative. Yeah, it's negative here. So let's try 0. So 0 would be negative here, right? So if I put 0, 0, then it would just be -40.
Yeah.
So that would also be negative on the right-hand side. So let's try -7. So just replace everything with -7 and just let me know what you get.
-289.
Wait, that's also negative.
And I don't know why, but the answer the answer shows like positive the point of like this zero gradient.
Wait, what? Because all of them shouldn't be negative. Wait, did I differentiate it wrong? No, differentiation is correct. And what about my zeros? Let's see. -3 times 2 is -6, right? And then oh wait. Is this negative? No, this can't be negative because -20 times 2 is -40. Need plus 26. Wait, what if I do this? So that's 6 and plus 20 is 26. Oh yeah, okay. So this is where we went wrong. Okay. So this is supposed to be -3x plus 20 equals to 0. -3x is equal to -20. Divide both sides by -3. X is equal to 20 over 3. So this is positive.
Yeah.
So I'm going to move this here. So let's say the other one is going to be x plus 2, right? So it's going to be 2 and then 20 over 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So on the left of it, if everything is, let's say we put 0, so this would be negative here, because you'd get negative 40 if I put 0, if x is 0.
Um, wait, I put 1.
It shouldn't matter because you should still get negative on that side, right?
Oh, wait, then why? Wait, I did something wrong. Uh, I put 3, and that's positive, and then
Okay, so 3 is positive. Okay. And then what about after 20 divided by 3? So let's say if you put 7.
I put 8, and I got
uh,
positive.
Okay, so that makes sense, right? So that means that x should be greater than 2, and then x should be greater than 20 over 3. Is that the answer?
But we're finding decreasing.
Oh, decreasing, then it's opposite. Yeah, yeah. So it would be x is less than 2, and x is.
Oh, I think I did a like calculation error. So I think if I input 8, it should give me negative.
Negative? Okay. So if this is negative, then it should be x is less than 2 and x is greater than 20 over 3. Is that the answer?
Yeah, that's supposed to be the wait.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, so we got it. Good.
Okay,
Excellent. I think we just need more practice on this, just till we get it. So let's do F.
okay. Yeah, I got it right this time.
Yay, man. Good job. Excellent. Okay, let's move on to something a little bit more challenging. So, I'm going to send you one, actually, that I want you to do. Just give me a second. Okay, for this one, I want you to find where it's increasing and decreasing. Here we go. Hey, sorry, I'm just gonna send you something just so it makes it easier for you to differentiate fractional derivatives. So if you remember this general equation, it will really help you to just do it very quickly.
What does U and V represent?
So in the so let's say if we take our example, the ux represents x squared plus 4, and the vx represents 2x. So for example, you do the derivative of x squared plus 4, and then you multiply that with 2x, because that's vx, and you minus x squared plus 4, and then you do the derivative of 2x, and then you divide that by the square of 2x. So on the bottom, you will end up with 4x squared.
Oh,
So I feel like if you remember like just in general, you can do it just very quickly.
so I can't do it with normal
I
differential.
mean, you can do it because like what you can do is you can bring the 2x up, you can make it like negative 1x, and then you can do it that way. But like generally in the quotient rule, this is like the fastest way.
Hmm. Oh, I think for this question I don't need it because I think I would actually if I get like x x squared equals 4, then would the answer be like x equals -2 and x equals 2?
Yes, for the top. So after you differentiate, you should get 2x squared minus 8 on the top. divide by 4x squared.
But it didn't use the equation.
So once you differentiate it, like at the end, it should be x minus 2 on the top, plus, and then x minus 2, x plus 2 when you do the top, divide by 2x squared. So that should be your like final.
Oh, then I think I got the wrong answer. Is the bottom equation the differentiated one?
Sorry, as in? Oh yeah, so like if you mean on the bottom is 4x squared?
Huh? No, I
Because
mean
you got to differentiate the
no,
whole function.
the image,
The image,
like the bottom.
the one I sent you.
Yeah. Like
Yeah. So
it,
the vx squared is the differentiate. It's already differentiated.
oh, but it didn't write the f prime x.
Oh, I mean, I think it just got like cut out. But yeah, because this is the quotient rule. So if you do it this way, and if you get whatever equation you get at the end, the roots are on the top of the equation. So first you have to differentiate it because you can't proceed without differentiating it. But once you get the final differentiated equation, you take the ones on the top. So on the top you should get x minus 2 and x plus 2.
Oh, I differentiated first.
So, okay, you're getting confused now. Just differentiate the whole equation first. You need to get the entire differentiated equation first. And then you find the roots. So differentiate the equation first.
Wait, when I differentiate it, do I differentiate the top and the bottom individually?
Are you doing it the way I sent you, or are you doing it the way that we used to do it before?
I'm confused because like ux is ux just the original top part or the differentiated top part?
No, if you look at the equation, right, you'll see that ux and vx is equal to f of x. So that is not differentiated. On the bottom, that the answer it will give you is already differentiated because you can see that u, and they put that thing on the top, which is the differentiation symbol x, v is not differentiated. That whole thing will give you a differentiated equation. I think I better do this with you just so that, because I think you're getting confused. Let me do this one with you, okay? Just give me a second. You can still see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna just paste the question that I sent you, and then we can do it together. Okay, so here's the question. I'm going to walk you through how we do the quotient rule. I'm just going to copy that too. Because once you master this, it will make it so much easier for you to differentiate even complex equations. So that have a division. So here, okay. So I'm just gonna write all the steps down, but you don't need to write all the steps, right? I'm just gonna do it so that it's clear to you. So of x is x squared plus 4. V of x is 2x. So far, so good?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm going to differentiate it, okay? So I'm going to go u of x, right? So 2x and then 2x. Right? So this is u that's differentiated,
Oh.
and then v is the same.
Okay.
Okay? Minus x squared plus 4 bracket. And then when you differentiate vx, you just get 2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so 2. Okay, now I'm just going to erase the bottom because I need to do the bottom. Okay, divide by just vx squared, so that 2x squared. Okay, so let's do this. So this is 4x squared, and then minus, and then it becomes 2x plus 8 over 4x squared. Okay?
Wait, is it? It's 2x squared plus 8?
Oh, yeah, sorry. 2x squared plus 8. Yeah, you're right. 2x squared plus 8. Yeah. So then this becomes 2x squared plus 8 over 4x, correct? 4x squared, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay? And then let's simplify, right? So this becomes x squared plus 4 over 4x squared. So we cancel that out. That becomes 2. So this becomes uh, x squared plus 4 over 2x squared, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, we're almost there. So when I differentiate this, I should get x plus 2 and x minus 2 on the top, and I'll keep the bottom the same way, okay?
Oh. Yeah.
Okay, so now we're almost there. So the roots on the top will be x is equal to negative 2 and x is equal to 2, right?
Yeah.
So now I'm going to put that on the number line. So I'm going to put minus 2 and I'm going to put 2.
What about the bottom?
So, oh yeah, so I'm going to put 0 also for this one, for the bottom.
Oh, there's 3?
Yeah, there's 3.
Wait, I got a bit confused, like this step, that's x squared plus 4 becoming x plus 2 bracket x
Sure.
minus, because I thought,
Yeah, uh-huh.
I thought it had to be x squared minus 4.
So here, okay, x squared is equal to negative 4, right? And then x squared, negative 4, so plus and minus. So because it's a negative 4, we just ignore that. And the reason why we have to ignore that is because this graph will have an asymptote. So it will have like values where the graph is not there. So we go negative 4 and then we go plus and minus here. So we just ignore the negative 4 in this case. Okay? And then that will make it 2. So plus and minus 2.
Huh. Wait, then, so plus and minus root.
Wait, did I make a mistake? Wait, let me just double check. So I got, wait, let me see. So 2x is correct. Okay. Minus 2 minus x minus 4 and minus 2x plus 4 Uh, oh yeah, you see, I made a mistake here. So this one should belong to the whole thing. This negative should belong to the whole thing, like this. Okay.
Oh yeah.
So, right. So when I do that, then this will become positive. This will become negative, right? -8. Okay, and then now it will make more sense because now if I erase this and erase that, then this will become minus here, right? Because it will become minus there.
Yeah. Wait. So. Oh, what about 6? It's 6x squared, and then
Right, let me see.
because it's plus.
Oh yeah, right. Let me do this again. Uh, I think I messed up in the signs. So let's see. UX, right? So that's gonna be, wait, can't see that. Okay. 2. Okay, so 2x, and then that's for this. And Vx is also 2x minus ux, which is 2x. So 2x, no, bracket x squared plus 4, and then 2 bracket over 4x squared. I'll just do that. So 4x squared minus bracket 2x plus 8, right?
Yeah.
And then over 4x squared. And then 4x squared minus 2x plus 8 over 4x squared.
Wait, no. Minus
Did I
2.
make, sorry, did I make a mistake?
It's
Oh,
minus.
minus, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, both are minus, right? So minus, yes. Right. So then it will become 2x squared minus 8 over 4x squared. And then if I simplify it, it will become x squared minus 4 over 2x squared. And then this will become x minus 2, x plus 2, because x squared equals to 4. X is equal to square root of 4 plus and minus. So x is equal to plus and minus 2, right?
Yeah.
2x squared, right. So then if I do the number line, 0, -2, and 2. Now I can test and then to see where I get increasing and decreasing.
So there should be like 4 ranges.
Right, right. So see if you can. So I'm gonna just circle the part. So just put this in your calculator, this one, and find the numbers between them. So like do -3 or like 1 and then -1 and see what you get. I'm gonna do it on my end also.
Okay. So decreasing is between -2 and 2.
Wait, let me see. What did I get? Yeah, that's what I got, right? So I got positive on -2, like from -2 onwards, and then after 2. So yeah. So I got the same as you.
Right.
Yeah, excellent, man. Good job. Okay, let's go back to what you sent me, and let's do. Let's see. Okay, I feel like number 5 is going to be a little challenging, so let's do number 5. Oh, by the way, just a little hint for number 5. Before you differentiate it, I suggest you make the denominators the same.
Wait, what?
For number 5,
Huh?
before you differentiate it, I suggest you make the denominators the same. So you can just combine them into one equation.
Oh.
Then you can use the quotient rule.
Um, so if I do these without the quotient rule, I still would be able to get the answer, right?
You would, it would just take you longer.
Like, for like the one you sent me, when I
Uh-huh.
tried it with the normal method, I didn't get like 0 as 1 point, but it ended up being correct anyway.
No, but the reason why I put the 0 in there is because when it's divided by something, then you have a 0 there also. So like if you because like if you did it your method, right? You said you didn't get the 0, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, then you would have negative in between. But what if there was a 0 there and you had positive on one side and negative on the other side? I mean, in this case, you just lucked out that there was on both sides of the 0 it was negative.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So if you do it the quotient rule way, then you will not make mistakes,
So
or at least like it will, like at least if you do more complex ones like this one. So okay, try your method on this one, and I'm going to do the quotient rule way. I'm going to share my screen and do the quotient rule way, and we'll compare.
okay.
Okay.
Wait, I think I have to use du dx.
Yeah, I mean you have to differentiate it, right? And once you make the denominators the same.
No, but I pulled I put the bottom part on top with and then changed.
Sure. Yeah, so you're using the chain rule, which is fine. I'm because I'm gonna work on the quotient rule till then. Sorry, the sun was crying.
Man, I'm stuck on a step. I got like x cubed and then there's like 4 items.
Yeah, so because when you do it the other way, right? When it's complex equations, it gets really tough to do it the way you're doing it. So that's why quotient rule is much easier. So this is what I have. I'm just working on the which one is greater, or like it's because it's a the question is if it's greater or equal to 0, is it increasing or decreasing? So I'm just in the last part now. You can have a look at what I've done so far. I've written it down. Let me see. Yeah, I'll just make it smaller. Here. So can you check the answer? Is it decreasing?
Wait, it says neither.
Neither. Let me see. So
It
let me
shows
check.
that 2x minus 6 over x plus 2 squared. I mean cubed.
Wait, do you mean the answer?
Yeah, and then it says neither.
Okay, let me see what is it after 9 plus plus 2.
I think like the example 8.3, it says I think it's the same question type,
Okay.
and then I think it gives an expression only for the it only gives an expression for the dy dx, and then it like it applies like so here it's for the actual question. It says for x is bigger or equal to 0. So I think we just have to make we just have to express the dy dx and then apply the value.
So I got the answer neither. So if you look at my share screen, okay, I'm pointing at here, right? I'm pointing there.
Oh,
Okay. So the question was asking you, is it increasing or decreasing greater or equal to 0, right? That's the question, right? Number 5.
I don't understand. Is
No,
it?
no, but look at the question. The question is saying, is this, so they gave you a function and said greater or equal to 0, right?
Yeah.
And the question is is it increasing or decreasing? And you only have to worry about greater or equal to 0, right? Because that's the range they gave you already.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I found the roots. So the roots I found was -2 and 9, which is here. Okay, I'm highlighting it for you. It's here. Okay, so I put it on the number line. Now, greater than 0 or equal to 0 will include anything after 0. So I chose two numbers. I chose 1, which is greater than 0, and I chose 10, which is on the other side of 9. If it's greater than 0 but less than 9, I'm getting negative here. Okay? But
Oh.
if it's greater than 9, I'm getting positive here. And the question is it increasing or decreasing after 0? Because there's both negative and positive after 0, the answer will be neither. Because they've only given you three choices. Is it increasing after 0, decreasing after 0, or neither? Right? So if both of them, like if I choose 1 and I got a positive, and if I choose 10 and I got a positive, then I would say they're both increasing. Right? If the converse was true, if I use 1 and 10 and I got negative, both of them, then I would say the function's decreasing. But because I got one negative and one positive, then we would use neither.
Okay. Yeah. So I
Yeah.
still have to find the points.
Right.
But then in the example they just they just applied like they just said if x is larger than this number, uh, then this is true, and then it says it is a decreasing function. So it didn't find the points. It just like found a general trend.
Right. Yep. So when you would use this scenario is if the question asked you what they're asking you, but they asked you to find the points and then prove if it's increasing or decreasing. So if it was like a 6-mark question or a 7-mark question, you would find the points using the quotient rule. And then if you get a negative and positive, the answer is neither. If they're both positive, then it's increasing. If it's both negative, then it's decreasing.
So like so then the example is like not that accurate.
It's so it's not that it's not that accurate. It's more like it's not the complete picture. Like they're
Okay.
only so like out of everything they're asking you, they're only asking you like a tiny part of what the question actually is. So that number five could be as broad as what I just did.
Yeah. So if I wanted to be sure, or like in the exam, I just I just have to first find the points uh and then see the like see if it's both or increasing or decreasing.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay, let's see. Uh, okay, we have a few minutes. Maybe we can just do one more question before we go. Uh, okay, let's try number nine. I don't think we've done anything like number nine.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so is it between 7 and 20?
Yep.
Okay.
So I got, but did you get the final answer? Because they're asking you, um, what is the range of values for which profit is decreasing?
Range of values of x.
Yeah. So it should be, so when you tested the points, it should be negative between 7 and 20.
So does it, so it doesn't involve, uh, so do I just write 7 smaller than x smaller than 20?
No, no. So if you look at my answer here, I put it in a rectangle. So x is greater than 7, but smaller than 20.
So that's the final answer?
That's the final answer because you're describing between 7 and 20.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So do me a favor, whatever you want to go through tomorrow, if you can just send me photos of those tonight, because then tomorrow morning we have an early class. I want to spend as much time doing our work as we can. In the meantime, I've also asked Yvonne to send me the whole chapter 8, but I'm not sure she'll be in the center in time because I'm not going to be in the center tomorrow morning. So if you can just send me a few pages of what we're going to do, hopefully she'll just send me the rest and then we'll be okay tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Okay? So I'll see you at 9 tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Chris.
All right. See
Yeah.
you.
Have a good night.
Yeah.
See you. Bye.
我很难想象《熊出没》的配音竟然能这么离谱。作为国内最火的动画之一，《熊出没》被传入国外，翻译为英文版后，画风突变。首先，这是十分正常的国语版。
我投降！我投降！我投降！我投降！再见！
而它的英文版却变成了这样。然而最离谱的还不只是这个，当听到英文版的笑声时，简直震撼了我妈一整年。
一个字，绝！
我很难想象熊出。
She got a cake and a candle for her boyfriend's birthday, but hadn't.
You're a soldier, choosing your battles. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching.
Good news, Tesla just fixed this problem. Before this update, if your door was frozen over, then it was really hard to push this in to open the door. Model 3 and Y now have this option called Unlatch Door. So when you press this button, it pops the door open.
A lion attacking a human. That's what most people think watching this sequence. But in reality, it's a totally normal and authentic thing for lions to sneak up on one another, to jump on top one another and tackle one another.
If you look at almost all stress inoculation protocols, cold water, ice bath, cold shower, cyclic hyperventilation, those all do the same thing. They generate a lot of adrenaline release in the brain and a lot of adrenaline release.
所以我今天是跟学校那边问了一下，但因为香港那边都是在家里面，就是他们也是都在家里。然后我问的时候，那个说因为这个是相对就是每个学生都是有自己的独立的文件，所以说他是没有办法就是在学校里，就只有那个教务处，就是某一个就是可能几个老师他才有那个钥匙可以拿，但是现在老师都不在，所以如果我申请的话，他18号才去学校把那个材料拿出来，然后可以给我拍照。如果就18号我就拿不到了。如果我有一些就是过去语言治疗的一些这个就是那个医生的一些就是receipt，就那个就是这个记录就是不是记录是账单，然后那是上面是语言主，然后后面的付款的这个。所以我现在手里就只有这个，还有跟医生那个来了信件，就是医生给我转介上的这种信件，但是就真的会透露这个孩子。
Damn, you can copy text? Damn.
This man had killed my dog.
Jesus. One year.
It's so bad. That's so shit.
Jesus. Damn. October last year. Ah, man, I'm so left behind. People learn this shit in 1 week. I haven't progressed. Okay, Jesus Christ. Out of stock. Oh my god, honestly. That is a pretty long distance. You can merge tabs? Oh my god. I should have used that. Oh my god, I should have used that. I forgot about it completely.
This way, moving this way, and then I slip left and I go. That's my third option. Then my fourth option is I step right here, watch, I bring this back leg in and I drop. Okay, you don't even need necessarily to bring that back foot in. If I'm moving laterally, then I can drop. So I got to go low and I got to go high. Okay,